Hello everyone, welcome back to another at-home crafts with Luciana. Today we are celebrating fall and making a pumpkin into an owl. So we're going to start by having a pumpkin. This is a very large one. You can do really any size pumpkin you like. I have some faux leaves, faux flowers, and I'm using a little rhinestone for the beak. I also have some hot glue. That's how we're going to attach our pieces. So let's get started. All right, we're going to start by gluing the leaves on the bottom for feet. Place one here. Make sure that the glue is sticking to the pumpkin. Down on that. Now I'm going to glue the other side. Okay, we have attached our leaves for the little feet, and now we're going to move on to the beak. So I'm using my little rhinestone and I'm just going to glue it right in the center. Alright, now once that part is dry, we're going to glue on the eyes. We're using faux flowers for the eyes. And I just need to turn it to make sure it's where I want it. Push that into the glue. And now I'm going to repeat that process for the other eye. Okay, so here's our finished owl. I'm going to add some extra decorations. This is completely optional, but I'm going to add some wings and a little bow. So we're going to start by choosing about where you want your wings to be on the side. I'm going to put them about halfway down, and I'm going to take my glue and glue my wings into place. Okay, once the wing is glued, I'm just going to attach a little rhinestone up top just to cover up some of that extra glue. Put a little bit of glue there and put that right on top just like that. Okay. Now that's one wing, and I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. Okay, so now our wings are attached. And now I'm just going to add a little bow right up top here to finish our owl. Alright, so our owl is finished. I hope you enjoyed this quick craft. I think it's a great way to celebrate fall. You can always do this with a real pumpkin and real flowers if you wanted. It just wouldn't last year to year. But really it has so many fun options, and it's really fun and quick to make. Alright, see you next time. Bye.